Hi, my name is Chris, and today I am going to show you how to load filament into the mass portal filament dryer FD1 for direct feeding. First, you connect the Teflon tube to the magnetic connector located on the back side of the dryer. Then open up the door, take your filament spool, take the end of the filament and guide it into the feed port. Now you can put the spool onto the center axis and guide your filament up until the extruder of your printer. In case you are using a smaller spool with a narrow inner diameter, you can easily adjust the spool holder. Just unscrew the center of the holder with a hex key and take off the sleeve. And you're good to go. Now, once the filament has been fed into the printer, you can close the door and begin drying. Thank you for your attention. To find out more, check out our other videos.